Hello, fellow foodies. Welcome to another episode of Island Girl Foods TV. So, this episode is a continuation of last week's black bean soup. I want to show you how versatile this Cuban delicious bean soup really is and how you can pair it with many alternative recipes. So today, we'll be making the black bean soup and pair it with a delicious Cuban sandwich. As a matter of fact, it's one of my most favorite sandwich. It has delicious pork left over from last week. Remember that delicious slow roasted mojo pork? Well, along with the pork, there's ham, there's Swiss cheese, pickles, and a delicious stout mustard. So remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell next to it to be notified every week as I show you new recipes. So if you're ready to go, let's go. As always, cooking is always easier when your ingredients are in place. We'll start with 1 smoked ham hock, a half of white onion dice, 1 green chili pepper, you may use serrano also, 2 tablespoons of garlic mince, 2 tablespoons of RAQUEL'S seasoned salt, a half teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 bay leaves, and a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. We have 4 sprigs of dried oregano and 4 sprigs of fresh thyme leaves. For our beans, we're going with dried small black beans, and this is about 4 cups. Go ahead and place those beans in a Dutch oven and pour water over to cover. Turn your heat on high, and you want to start bringing your beans up to a boil. We'll add in our onions meanwhile, add your garlic, and stir. Then we're going to go ahead and add our smoked paprika. We'll add our ground black pepper. Continue to stir. And then we're going to add in our oregano and thyme leaves, also both bay leaves. Add your ham hock. As your bean cooks and the water evaporates, you want to continue to add more water to cover. Add 1 green chili. It can be a serrano or finger pepper. Turn your dial to low once your beans come up to a boil, and you're going to simmer until it's completely cooked. Remove your tender smoked ham hock. Discard your thyme and oregano leaves and bay leaves. Now we're going to season by adding your seasoned salt and your balsamic vinegar and stir. Now you want to slice or dice your ham hocks. You may decide to use skin as well or not. Discard the bone and add the meat to your cooked black bean soup. And here you have it, a delicious, savory black bean Cuban soup. Now to make your panini, we're adding this delicious stout mustard to our French bread. We're going to go ahead and add some sliced Swiss cheese, that delicious slow roasted Cuban pork, and we're going to add some smoked ham. Place 2 slices of pickles, add more Swiss cheese, and top. Now we're going to use a panini press and flatten this delicious sandwich. So in this recipe, we made a beautiful lunch of black bean soup with delicious Cuban sandwiches, our favorite. And
Definitely.
what are we pairing it today with?
Well, I decided to break out the rosé. This is a nice Niagara region rosé from Trios. Of course, with a rosé, it's very versatile. It goes with a pork, chicken, beef, whatever you want to have it with. But Niagara does an exceptional job on this rosé, and it's going to give you a nice essence. Stone fruit. It's going to have be a little off dry, and it's a perfect thing to enjoy with this babe.
Well, let's get to it.
Right.
I'm thirsty and hungry.
There we go.
And you know, during this time where we're in self-isolation, remember that family is everything. And once we're all healthy, safe, thank you. Let's cheers to self-isolation, quality time with family and friends if you have a friend staying over. And let's just get through this, eat well, and live well. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers. Let's get into this now. I'm ready to go.
What are you going for? Some soup first? The panini? Take a big old bite.
I think I'm going to take a bite of this sandwich first. And then I'm going to have some of that soup to wash it down.
Okay, I'm going in with the soup. That's amazing, right? You can't talk. See you guys next time. Island Girl Foods TV.